Welcome to Said Professional Tree Service LLC, located right here in Providence, Rhode Island. With 10 years of dedicated experience, our team is committed to providing exceptional tree care and customer satisfaction. Our services include tree removal, stump grinding, tree trimming, storm damage cleanup, garden pruning, and land clearing. We are committed to delivering top-quality results and reliable solutions for your comfort. Contact us today at 401-954-8871 or visit our website at sidtreeservice.com to learn more. Trust in Professional Tree Service LLC for all your tree and garden care needs.